Welcome to our latest YouTube video showcasing the Hoosic Tiny House, a beautiful handcrafted home on wheels. Built with care and attention to detail, this RVIA-Certified tiny house is designed to offer you a minimalistic and comfortable living experience. Measuring 20 feet in length, the Hoosic is compact yet spacious, offering everything you need for a cozy and functional lifestyle. With a road-legal maximum width of 8.6 and a maximum roof height of 13.6, you can take this tiny house wherever your heart desires and enjoy the freedom of the open road. Our living room design focuses on clean lines, neutral colors, and a clutter-free space that promotes relaxation and calmness. The centerpiece of the room is a sleek sleeper sofa that effortlessly transforms into a comfortable bed, providing ample space for guests to stay overnight. In addition to the sleeper sofa, our living room features a few carefully selected pieces of furniture, including a minimalist coffee table, a set of matching armchairs, and a sleek media console. The muted color scheme, with shades of beige, gray, and white, helps to create a sense of tranquility and harmony in the space. Our kitchenette features standard cabinetry, a sink, a 2-burner electric cooktop, and a mini fridge, all designed to fit seamlessly into a compact area. To create a warm and inviting ambience in the space, we've installed dimmable lighting throughout the kitchenette. This allows you to adjust the lighting to suit your needs, whether you're preparing a meal or enjoying a cozy night in. The cabinetry in our kitchenette is designed to maximize storage space, with plenty of shelves and drawers for storing utensils, cookware, and other kitchen essentials. The sink is functional yet stylish, with a sleek design that complements the rest of the space. The 2-burner electric cooktop is perfect for preparing simple meals, while the mini fridge provides ample space for storing food and beverages. Our bathroom features a stand-up shower, a sink vanity, and a toilet, all designed to fit seamlessly into a spacious and comfortable area. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.